Welcome back to another exciting resin art tutorial on my channel. My name is Sylvie and I'm thrilled to have you here with me. Today I'll show you how I created this beach-style resin coaster. First of all, I am really sorry for the first part of the video. Somehow I lost the raw files, but luckily I have an edited and sped up version of the process. Even though it covers all the initial steps, it has been significantly slowed down, resulting in a less enjoyable video. After mixing my resin, I added some extremely fine sand to it to create this texture. The mixture in the video is very dry, but now I know it would have been easier to work with if it had been more tacky. After putting down my sand, I then dip these tiny shells into the mixture so they will stick into it. After placing the shells exactly where I want them, I add 3 thin lines of resin mixed with 3 different shades of blue pigment pastes. This will represent my sea. After pushing the colors together, I will let this layer dry for about 12 hours. It can be more or less, but for me, this was the duration when I returned to work on this craft. Following the curing of the first layer, I added a thicker layer of transparent resin to cover all the differences on the surface. Unfortunately, this step wasn't captured on camera, but here is the end result of it. I then left the coaster to dry for 24 hours so that afterward I could remove it from the mold without any issues. Here it is, removed from the mold and ready for that beach wave to arrive. Firstly, I will add a layer of transparent resin on the top, where I want my beach wave to flow. This layer was made with slightly thicker resin. As you can see, in my opinion, this kind of resin is more suitable for creating beach waves. Let this layer sit for a few minutes. Following the transparent layer, it's time for the white. I pour it right in front of the transparent line so that a tiny part flows into the transparent layer. I pop some bubbles on the surface with my heat gun, although this step is not necessary. Now, let's blow the white. At this point, we have to be patient and make sure not to overdo it. Just slowly blow it part by part. Next, let's add some extra heat with a torch so our cells will appear more. And done. We don't want to overdo it. In the next 24 hours of curing time, a lot can happen. Cells will become bigger, and the resin will flow a little bit more. And here it is, our final product. I really like how it turned out, although I've learned a lot, and there are a few things I would do differently next time. Let me know in the comments how you like the product or if you have any more questions. Bye and see you at the next tutorial.